All right, well, I'm Tiny Tom, the chimney guy. I've got a couple minutes here to talk to you about our menu card. First of all, there's some big problems out there with chimneys, dryer vents and whatnot, roofs and stuff. We specialize in working on flashing leaks. This is quite a vivid picture of the water coming in front of the fireplace, but it can happen that easily, and usually it's just a simple flashing fix. Chimney repairs, before and after, you see here. Tear out the brick, put in new to replace, and do whatever there. Sometimes the brick, though, are so bad that they're never going to look right, and you might as well just cover it up with siding or brick or stone, or veneer of some sort that will cover up the existing. Not new to us, but bird deterrents are something we've been doing for years with hardware cloth. But in addition to that, we can add what we call is a nixolite thing, that are little prickers that you can put on top, and it kind of keeps the birds from trying to land. We do chimney liners for 2-ply aluminum liners for the furnaces and water heaters, and stainless steel for the wood stoves that are set into the fireplaces, known as inserts. They recommend stainless liners from the back of the stove all the way on up to the top where the birds sit. And now that it's 2020, they really would recommend an EPA listed wood stove that would go with that system too. So that's some change out stuff we got to do. Over here, we work with dryer vents. There are dryer vent fires that happen occasionally, but it's enough to be a number and put it on our card. We do before and after of what they call our chase covers, which are the tops of most prefab chimneys here in America, as well as up in Canada. And we replace them with type 304 stainless, so they'll never rust again. We give you a lifetime warranty with respect to that. Here's what we call heat shield. Heat shield is a combination of, well, it's high heat mortar that gets placed in the flue tile area. In addition to that, we spray into the smoke chamber area that's above the damper. A lot of times, instead of using a stainless steel liner into a fireplace that doesn't have a wood stove, now we're opting to have this masonry of high heat status put up in there to take the place of the need for stainless. And then last but not least, we fix leaky chimneys. I mean, from the very top of the chimney, you have a metal chimney cap. You have that orange flue liner there. You can see the coating on top of the crown itself. That's a water repellent coating that you put on. And then there's clear coat you can put on the brick. And then, of course, at the base, you can do flashing seal. Reach us anytime you need. It's tinytom.com, 1-800-788-8469. Thanks for your time.